Can you go get the wipes over there? Can you go get it?
Franklin, do you remember what you used to hold up the roof of your boat?
Good boy.
The rake! Thanks, Mom.
Oh, bonk. Oh, honey. You hit your head on the wheel. Are you okay? Move this thing. Oh, it's okay. Here, Tev. Here, Tev. Look, Mason. Look. Can you go get that? Get it. Go get it. Get those wipes. Get those wipes. Good boy. You did it. You got him. Yay. You're such a big boy. You're a big boy, aren't you, Mason? You feeling those bottom teeth?